see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually gonna be going for this TNF drop. Shit might get tactical out there. I saw them EU times, bro, and it was looking like a shit show. Things were flying, like people were getting hit with bricks all left and right. I hope we can cook up on something today. If you're doing up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a like button on it. Subscribe down below if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. I really hope I can cop, but honestly, if I can't cop, I'm saving money for my car. So I'm not even mad. Like either way, I'm winning. Either way, I promise you. But if you do enjoy, you already know what to do. Click that Gleam link in the description in order for you to enter this insane giveaway that's going on right now. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my girl's channel, and you will have the chance to win 5 Supreme items. We're gonna be giving away a Motion logo beanie, 2 Supreme tees, Supreme Oreos with 5 stickers, and Supreme shoulder bag. Shit is looking crazy out here. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. I do want to say I wish you guys the best of luck today. I really hope that you guys go ahead and succeed when it comes to these insane drops, because it's looking crazy. Alright, so right now it's probably like what, 15 seconds to drop, maybe like 10 seconds, and we're right here where the t-shirts are at. I just hope we could cook today, people. I feel like the black one's gonna be like right here. Oh, shit ain't loading. Shit is not loading. Oh my god. Come on. Add to my cart, bro. Check out. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, I could get this shit. If it loads quick, I could get this shit. It's probably sold out. It's sold out. Oh my god, that was fast as shit, people. I was trying to go for the tee, but the shit just sold out damn near instantly. I feel like the jacket's probably gone by now. It's actually not. I'm gonna go for this gold color. Oh, sold out. I'm gonna go for this color. Oh, sold out. Oh my god. Accessories, let's get these damn Instax. The most you could buy is 2 and it is $18. They trying to play with me like it's not. Is there anything else that I need? Let me go for these pants. Sold out. Oh my god. Yo, vest is sold out. Holy shit, this is a shit show, people. The Instax are sold out. Yo, everything is gone. Like, what the fuck? Everything is gone. Oh, the Instax are still here. What the hell? It said sold out, but it's still here. It doesn't make sense to me, but I'm not even gonna question it. I'm gonna just go ahead and try to purchase these real quick. Hit that process button. Come on, bro. Let me get that. Let me get that. The only thing I processed so far was the Instax. I am processing. It's on please wait, so I still don't have the guarantee, but I really hope that I go through. The processing bar is up now, so I actually do feel like I might end up cooking up, but we don't know until it's all said and done, to be honest. Oh shit. Yo, I feel like this drop was shitty, bro. Like everything was gone. Like I tried to check out on the T as you guys saw, and it was just vamoose. I feel like I did pretty quick on it too, and it just wasn't working for me, so it is what it is, honestly. Fuck, I just realized I set up Addict.io wrong. I'm fucking retarded, bro. That's why I hate rushing. I went to the check cashing to deposit money, and they were taking hella long. Shit took me like 15 minutes. Like, dude, I forgot to put the fucking plus sign on this shit. Y'all see this dumb shit right here, bro. Checked out on the Instax. That's pretty much all I got today, which is kind of nuts, but at the same time, I'm not even mad. Like, it is what it is. At the end of the day, you win some, you lose some. I don't know what my homie Marco is talking about, but so far it's looking like shit is a Elio, bro. Like, I don't even know what to say. Like, this is annoying. At this point, I honestly don't even know if I want to go for anything. The Miles Davis pants are still there. I don't know if I want these water shorts. Like, I'm about to just save my money. I copped the Instax and just call it a day. I took an L on pretty much everything else. I'm gonna double check real quick. Oh nah, I think the homie Marco cooked up on the One World tee for me. I don't know, because I did get charged for $70, and low-key the only thing around that price point that I tried to go for was that tee, so I'm about to just let it rock. So I got the One World tee and the Instax, which only means that I could save the rest of my money for my car. I'm not even tripping, bro. Like, I'm actually happy about that. Kind of sick about the TNF, but I will survive to see another day. One thing I do want to say is that if you guys weren't able to cook up on this drop, you should definitely check out Rich Notify. They are a Discord, which normally charges for a monthly fee for you to get resale info, exclusive sneaker info, restock monitors, a free frenzy bot, a bunch of things you can go ahead and get from joining joining Rich Notify. It's actually free because of the pandemic that's going on right now. They typically do charge a monthly fee, but I definitely recommend you guys to go ahead and check them out, because since it is COVID-19 going on right now, they honestly don't want to go ahead and charge people for this service, which is honestly pretty amazing in my opinion. I would definitely go ahead and check their Discord out. You could get free bot rentals, certain glitches when it comes to pricing for sneakers, so you could scoop them for a lower price. They even have eBay bots, they have stock investments. It's just a well-rounded service where you can go ahead and flip your money in the best way possible, and it's free, bro. It's not even like you gotta pay for anything. All you have to do is join their Discord, and for the giving time, it is gonna be free for you to go ahead and make some extra money through these hard times. I would definitely recommend you guys to join so you can make non-stop profit. That pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, go ahead and slap the like button on this one. Subscribe down below if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the Gleam link in the description in order to enter in the giveaway that's currently going on for some Supreme Oreos, for a Motion logo beanie, for 2 Supreme tees, and a Supreme utility bag. You do not want to miss out, so make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, my girl's channel, and click that Gleam link in order to enter. But that pretty much does it. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one.